Hey class, so here's the deal. I'm going to have to collect your assignments using EdCite. You have used EdCite before, possibly for other classes. In math class, you have used EdCite to take your final exams. So you have seen EdCite before, but you haven't used EdCite in this class for this purpose yet. So I wanted to record a quick video about what do you do if your teacher gives you an assignment on EdCite, because guess what? That's what we're going to do. So here's the steps. You're going to log in using Clever, select the EdCite button, and then I'll kind of show you what it looks like. Now, I don't have like the true student view, so it's a little bit funky, but I'll do the best I can. First of all, you always want to use Chrome when you are when you're using EdCite. EdCite does not like Microsoft Edge, so you really want to make sure that you're using Google Chrome when you're going into EdCite. So you want to go to Clever, and the link for Clever is clever.com/bssdr4 something something. You should know how to get to Clever. You've been doing that. If you don't know how to get to Clever, please let me know, and I will help you out with that. But let me see. I think if I go to .com/in, it's /in/bssdr4. So that is the link right there, clever.com/in/bssdr4. That's the link that will get you to our Blue Springs School District Clever. So see, that brought me back to here. You log in with Active Directory. And if you're logged in on Chrome to your Microsoft account, it won't even ask you to do anything. It'll just pop up to here. Now yours looks a little bit different than mine. Mine is a teacher look, so it looks a little bit different. But you're looking somewhere in here for this EdCite button. It's green and orange and it says EdCite. So find that EdCite button and click it. Okay, now this is my teacher home, so this is definitely not what yours is going to look like. I'm just going to switch here to student view. So this looks it'll look a little bit more like what yours will look like. So it'll say like welcome and your name, and there's this blue button that says start assignment with access code. We're not going to do that. You don't need the blue button. You want to look in this general area. I don't know if you can see my mouse. I'll move my mouse over here and try to click a few times. This general area in the center top of the page, there should be an assignment listed. The assignment that I gave you is 10.1 assignment. Actually, I can go back and see exactly what it looked like. It is called, 10.1 Day 1 Homework. That is the assignment that I have given to you. And it looks something like this. I'm just going to... So when you click on it, it will look like this, 10.1 Day 1 Homework, and you'll click Start Assignment. And then this is number 1 from your assignment. And you look at the problem and you enter your answers here. And then down here at the bottom, you click to the next question. This is number 6 from your assignment, and so on. So this is how you get into the assignments. Now, again, when you log into EdCite and you're in that student view, you guys are always in the student view, you do not want the blue button. You want the assignments that are listed kind of here in the middle area of the top of the page. Let me know if you have any questions finding your assignment.